Think ChatGPT is just a chatbot? Think again. Smart creators are using it to write sales pages, generate business ideas, and even run entire side hustles, powered by simple prompts. In this video, you'll learn how to turn AI into income. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model created by OpenAI. It can understand your questions and generate human-like text in seconds. But when used strategically, it's more than just a chat tool. It's a money-making machine. ChatGPT can write blog articles, product descriptions, ad copy, emails, and even full sales funnels. You can use it to brainstorm offers, answer customer questions, and automate content creation, all without hiring a team. You can offer copywriting services on Fiverr, create digital products like ebooks or lead magnets, write and sell prompt packs, or even launch a blog where all the content is written by AI. With the right prompts, ChatGPT can become your business partner. Want to start using ChatGPT to grow your income? Check the link in the description to get started. And don't forget to subscribe. Infinite Earnings brings you the best AI tools to build your digital empire. AI doesn't just save time, it creates opportunity. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful tools available today, and it's in your hands. Subscribe to Infinite Earnings and turn your knowledge into income, one prompt at a time.